In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Upwork promo codes. The best place to start is directly inside your Upwork account. After you sign in, take a few moments to check the areas where promotions are most likely to appear. Look through your dashboard, your notifications, and the membership and connects page. It's also a good idea to check the email inbox connected to your Upwork account, since Upwork sometimes sends exclusive offers directly to eligible users. These promos are not always available to everyone, so checking the account regularly can help you catch limited time deals before they expire. Next, make sure you're subscribed to Upwork emails. If you haven't enabled those settings yet, go into your account settings and open the notifications or email preferences section. From there, turn on promotional and marketing emails. This is important because many offers are shared through official email announcements, especially for short-term discounts or special campaigns. If those messages are turned off, you could miss promo codes that are only sent to subscribers. You should also visit Upwork's official promotions and partner pages. These are useful places to check for current offers that may apply to certain services, including project catalog services or consultations. Since promotions can change over time, it helps to review these pages occasionally instead of assuming the same offers will always be there. Another smart strategy is to watch for partner promotions. Upwork sometimes works with other companies, payment providers, or business organizations to offer exclusive promo codes. In many cases, these are available through a specific partner link, and some of them may have eligibility requirements. So, if an offer doesn't appear in your account, it may still be available through one of Upwork's approved partnerships. You'll also want to keep an eye out for seasonal promotions. Major shopping and business events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and New Year campaigns can sometimes include limited-time Upwork discounts. Freelancer-focused campaigns may also appear throughout the year. The key thing to remember is that availability can vary, so these offers may not come back in exactly the same form each year. Once you receive a valid promo code, redeeming it is usually simple. Sign into your Upwork account and go to the page where the promotion applies, such as the page for purchasing eligible services or connects. Enter the code into the promo code or coupon code field, then select Apply. Before you complete the purchase, always confirm that the discount has been added successfully. That final check can help you avoid paying full price if the code didn't apply correctly.